Sergios, and I want to show you how you can increase your opt-in rates on your VSL or webinar funnel. And to do that, we developed a user interface that's much better from the default that Clickfunnels and Everwebinar is providing right now. So this is our basic, let's say, version. And I'm sure you've seen this a lot around on the web by other online marketers, and it works much better than the default that Everwebinar provides. So this is the design. You click on it, then a pop-up comes up, and the user chooses their date and time, enters their name and email, and they get registered on your webinar, including ActiveCampaign or any other software that you manage your automations. Then we also developed a much better version that works even better than what I've shown you. So this is the improved version, and we call it the Pro version. Again, you complete here your email address. Then I put my name. I choose my webinar date and time, and also this one collects partials, so that's really important. And you can use different automations from ActiveCampaign or any other software to bring the user back. So this is the Pro design, and to do this, what we have done, we developed a plugin that can be used on any WordPress. You can customize it fully. Very easy to be used. You just copy paste this code on your Clickfunnels and it works. It also supports any language. You can change the text to your preferred language, and it also supports 24 hours format. So we did this as a plugin because we have an agency and we do funnels for quite a number of customers, and many people wanted this design, and every time we had to do it manually for each customer. And we decided to do a plugin which will be much easier to handle these requests for us. And we decided also to push it to public, so you can download it, use it on your own website, and will be much convenient for you. Right now, to resolve this issue, you need to hire a developer. The developer will charge you to do it in one funnel. Then if you change your funnel again, to hire the developer back and do it for you. So by using our plugin, you get away from that obstacle of hiring a developer every time you want to do this nice interface. So I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below if it's useful for you. Thank you so much.